Our question is write a program to count the number of characters in the string and store them in a dictionary data structure. So for this, what we will do, we will take a string as an input and then we will store its characters count in dictionary. This program we can do by using the different approaches. First approach we are using is like this. First we will take a input string and we are taking an empty dictionary. Then what we are doing? We traverse the string and then we are checking every element. Like element we are making the key in the dictionary and then we are putting the count 1. Like if I in F initially empty, so first character, like we are providing the string goeduhub.com. So the first characters comes is G and it will check if G in F. Obviously it is not present in the F because F is empty dictionary. So what we will do, we will go inside the else condition and F of I means F of G is equal to 1. So this G becomes the key in the F and 1 becomes the value. Similarly, we will go ahead and the next character comes is O. It will check if O in F. Obviously, O is not in the F. So again we will add one more key value pair. Key is O and value is 1. So like this we will do, and when a character repeats. So what happens when a character repeats? It will check if character in F. Obviously if character in F, then we will increment the value at that key by 1. So F of I is equal to F of I plus 1. So like this we can count the characters in a string. You can see the practical implementation here. We are taking a string input, like I'm running this code goeduhub.com, and you can see the output dictionary F. Like here we are having G 1 time, O 2 times and E 1 time, and similarly U repeated 2 times. So like this we can calculate the frequency of a character in a string, and we have stored inside the dictionary. This is the one approach. We can use the another approach, like we can use collections inside the Python. So from the collections we can import counter. I'll explain you what is the counter, just wait. Initially I'm taking a counter and here I'm taking a string welcome to goeduhub, and then I'll pass my string to the counter, and this counter returns me every character with its count. So you can see what is the actually counter. The Python counter takes input a list. It can take a list, it can take a tuple, it can take a dictionary, it can take a string, which are all iterable objects, and it will give you output that will have count of each element. Are you getting? Like we are taking the iterable objects as an input to the counter, and counter will provide you count of each element. We can take the another example for the counters. We can take a list in place of a string, and you can see the output L is equal to, I'm taking some values repeating, and here I'm taking a list and then I'm passing this list to the counter, and you can see the output 1 is repeated 3 times, 2 is repeated 2 times, and remaining elements are repeated 1 time. So basically counter will provide you count of each element. We can pass either a string, we can pass a list, or we can pass a dictionary. And there are the different methods available on the Python counter, like elements, most common, subtract, and update. Elements method will return you all the elements with the count greater than 0. Like we can use like this if you want to access the element. So we can write here the loop for I in, and this counter I am storing inside R. So for I in R, dot elements, and then I can print I. These are the elements. Only the elements are returned. Note the count. If you want to return the count also respectively, then you can write R of I and you can see the count. Okay, so there is lots of things available inside the counter. So like this, we can count occurrence of a character in a string. I hope you liked it. Give thumbs up if you liked the video. If you have any question or any recommendation for next upcoming videos, let me know in the comment section. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. See you next time.